I have my pans on my back, I have all the camera equipment with me, and I even have a small drone. Let's see if I can try and get a shot from up there. How high up can we go? Ah, no! Come back, you! This isn't too bad. Yeah, it's a bit of a bog track now. The question is, where's the river? I can hear it. It's over beyond those trees. Okay, found the river, and we've got a barbed wire fence. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test pan the area behind me here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give the pan a quick rinse. So just going to pick up some water, just give it a quick slosh around. So let's do this now. That's nice, I like that. Yeah, that's good. Nice big rock there. I'm sure that's a rock or conglomerate. So let's go upstream of that a little. Now see this? That's just sand. A lot of black sand. Gold! We're on the gold in the first test pan. We're on the gold. Get in! Grey clay sand! That's where the gold is. Right here. The very material that I'm using to build a dam. Oh man, this is great. Okay, so first things first, take the pan out of the water. It's not comfortable, but it's a lot better than hunkering down. So there you go, look, less than 5 minutes. I've got a nice little panning pole. I can take my time with this one. Gotta work our way down through this. Now we get to that point, we stop. We gently wash off just the front riffle. Okay, we gently wash off the front riffle. Just means a different day. I come back with the Gold Magic 4000. That'll be the best piece of kit here. Circuit tube it onto the screen deck and catch 80% of the gold. 2 full buckets to go through. Out of you. Stop thinking about the future. Focus on now. Very important. Remember, there was already one speck in here. Let's have a look here. I see the black sand there in the corner. No idea what's in here. Again, I don't bother salting. I'm on this mission as well. So, let's have a quick look and see how we're getting on. We know we did a lot of black sand earlier. Black sand ain't gold. You wouldn't see it on screen because I can just barely see it with my own eyes. I got a 1 micro there. Another little piece there. Again, a micro. And there's another micro there. Okay, so we got 2 micro pieces of gold. It's one more place ruled out, but again, we found gold here, which is great. So look, at a later stage, perhaps next winter, come back here, go downstream and work the lower section to find where the really juicy gold is. That's another project for another day. So I hope you've enjoyed this mini-series of winter exploration. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget the subscribe button, and sure, catch you next one. We can all go fly more shiny. Bye bye.